Once upon a time, in the land of shimmering rivers and majestic forts, ruled the wise Emperor Akbar. Among his trusted advisors, none shone brighter than Birbal, known for his quick wit and even quicker solutions. Their adventures were whispered like secrets, passed down from grandmother to grandchild. Today, we embark on one such adventure. One scorching summer, rumours of a hidden oasis reached Akbar's ears. The scorching sun had parched the lands, leaving crops wilting and people thirsty. The emperor, worried for his subjects, called upon Birbal. "Find this oasis, Birbal," he declared, "and bring water to our people." Birbal, with his infectious smile, bowed. "Your wish is my command, your majesty." With a knapsack packed with dates and a gourd of water, Birbal set off. He followed dusty paths, climbed sun-baked hills, and questioned nomads under starlit skies. But days turned into weeks, and the oasis remained a mirage. Disheartened, Birbal sat beneath a lone baobab tree. Suddenly, a tiny voice chirped, "Why, the long-face, friend?" Looking down, Birbal saw a sparrow. He chuckled, "Little bird, even you couldn't find the oasis." The sparrow puffed its chest. "I may be small, but I travel far." Guided by the sparrow's chirps, Birbal journeyed deeper into the desert. Finally, hidden among towering sand dunes, lay a shimmering pool surrounded by lush greenery. It was the oasis. Birbal filled his gourd and thanked the sparrow. "You are my tiny hero." Back in the kingdom, Birbal led the people to the oasis. Cheers echoed as they drank deeply. Akbar, overjoyed, declared Birbal, "Your wit saved us all." But the adventure wasn't over. A sly merchant, jealous of Birbal's favour, claimed he had found the oasis first. "He simply followed me." Akbar, confused, turned to Birbal. Birbal smiled calmly. "Your Majesty." The people, remembering Birbal's journey, spoke of his kindness and courage. The sparrow, chirping excitedly, landed on Birbal's shoulder. Even the desert wind seemed to whisper Birbal's name. Akbar, seeing the truth, banished the merchant and showered Birbal with praise. The sparrow, having played its part, chirped a farewell and flew away. From that day on, Birbal's wisdom and the little sparrow's courage became a legend, reminding everyone that even the smallest creatures can hold the key to great solutions, and so their story continues to be whispered across the sands of time, a testament to friendship, wit, and the magic of unexpected heroes. As the cheers subsided, a shadow darkened the celebration. A pompous merchant named Jafar, renowned for his greed rather than his honesty, swaggered forward. "Your Majesty," he declared, puffing out his chest, "it was I who discovered the oasis, not this lowly scholar." Akbar, surprised, looked at Birbal. The ever-calm advisor simply smiled. "Your Majesty, let us seek the truth. People of Agra, who led you to the life-giving water." A chorus of voices erupted, each one confirming Birbal's journey, his days of hardship, and his selfless guidance. Some even pointed to the little sparrow, chirping excitedly on Birbal's shoulder, as if remembering its role. Jafar, caught in his own web of lies, stammered and sputtered. But the wind seemed to whisper the sparrow's tale, carrying it to every corner of the gathering. Akbar, seeing the truth reflected in the people's eyes, dismissed Jafar with a stern decree. News of Birbal's fair judgment spread like wildfire, reaching the ears of Raja Vikram, ruler of a neighbouring kingdom. Vikram, known for his love of riddles and challenges, decided to test Birbal's wit. He sent an envoy with a seemingly simple gift: a single mango. Birbal received the mango with a twinkle in his eye. He knew Raja Vikram was no fool, and this was no ordinary fruit. He inspected it carefully, noting its weight, its perfect shape, and a faint inscription hidden beneath the... Days passed, and the envoy grew impatient. Finally, Birbal presented himself before Raja Vikram, not with an answer, but with another mango, identical in every way, even the inscription. Vikram was surprised. "Birbal," he inquired, "you offer me another riddle instead of solving mine." Birbal bowed. "Your Majesty, your gift was indeed a riddle." The weight signified the burden of knowledge. The shape represented perfection, and the inscription whispered, "Find your equal." I, in turn, present you with an equal challenge, a reflection of your wisdom. Vikram, impressed by Birbal's quick wit and understanding of symbolism, declared, "You have indeed solved my riddle, Birbal. You are truly worthy of your reputation." News of Birbal's triumph reached Akbar, who beamed with pride. He knew he had not only a wise advisor, but also a loyal friend, one who could navigate the trickiest of situations with humor and intelligence. Birbal's adventures continued, weaving a tapestry of wit, justice, and friendship that echoed through the ages. He became a symbol of hope for the common people, proving that even the smallest individual, with a pure heart and a sharp mind, could make a difference. And so, the legend of Birbal, the wise advisor with a twinkle in his eye, continues to inspire young and old, reminding us that even the most arid lands can bloom with kindness, courage, and a little bit of magic.